Hello, my name is Ms. Tamika Moore, and I am the pre-K teacher at Chaffee Elementary School, and I want to welcome you to the Huntsville City Schools pre-K parent orientation for the 2020-2021 school year. I hope you had a chance to review the paperwork that was sent in an email on Tuesday, August the 11th, 2020, to get an understanding of the requirements of remote and traditional learning. This paperwork does not require a signature or to be turned in at this time. Bullet number 1 is the Parent Partnership Agreement. When it comes to remote learning with the Parent as Partners Agreement, this just means that you should be engaged in your child's education through the remote learning platform, and more information will come out about our remote learning platform. The second bullet is discipline and dismissal policy. If you fail to comply with the remote or traditional learning platform that has been laid out in the Parents as Partners agreement paperwork, you risk the chance of your child being dismissed from the program. Appendix H is geared towards the traditional learning. And since I sent this in the email, I wanted to touch on it. Appendix H is talking about, saying that you promise to drop your child off at Chaffee by 7:45 in the morning and pick them up by 2:15 in the afternoon. Now, in the mornings, I am outside from 7:45 a.m. to 8 a.m. And pickup is from 2:15 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. And I will give you more information about that as soon as we start traditional learning. Also, in that same email sent out on August the 11th, 2020, I put in a link for the ASQ. Now, that needs to be completed by August 21st, 2020. It is just a questionnaire about your child that I am the only one that have access to. It's something that I keep for my records. So the school supply list, I sent you one in an email a couple of weeks ago. That one or this one that's on this PowerPoint is what you can purchase for school, and this is for traditional learning. But I do know that we'll need a complete change of clothes because accidents happen. We will need a backpack large enough for a binder to fit in, 2 boxes of Kleenex, baby wipes, bottle of hand sanitizer, and a container of Lysol wipes. Meet the Teacher. Meet the Teacher will take place on August 17th and August 18th. I am hoping that all of my technology devices will be up and running. I've been having some issues the past couple of days, and that is why I had to do orientation through a video, and I had to upload it and send it to you in an email, and I apologize about that. But Meet the Teacher, I'm going to have 2 dates. That's Monday the 17th and Tuesday the 18th. And I want to do this in small settings where I get to meet the parents as well as the students, and the students to get a chance to see some of their future classmates. Now, it says in this presentation that students and parents should both attend the virtual meeting, which is true. And it also says no siblings or other children allowed. And I know that is going to be impossible. So if I see a younger or older sibling, come across the screen, I will speak. I'm not going to make a big deal about it because I totally understand. So again, like I said earlier, half of the students will attend August 17th and the other half will attend on August 18th. And I will notify you guys tomorrow. Well, if you see this video tonight or this evening, I will notify you tomorrow about the schedule for Meet the Teacher. Now, again, if I'm still having technical issues, I will record another video with myself along with Miss Whitey, my pre-K assistant teacher, and we will send it that way. So hopefully there will be a morning option and a late afternoon option either Monday, August 17th or Tuesday, August 18th. Again, I hope my devices are working the way that they need to so that I can do a virtual meeting so that you guys can see me and I can see you. But again, if I'm still having issues like I am now, I will have to pre-record the video like I'm doing the orientation right now, and I will send it to you in an email. Thank you so much for giving me a little over 5 minutes of your time and listening to this presentation. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to email me, or you can call Chaffee at 256 428 7040. I will be here all day tomorrow. Thank you so much.